Hey guys, welcome back to CMoSpeaks. It's a well-known fact that the hardest problems usually have the most simplest solutions. Now, what I mean by this is very simple. Many a times we think the problem is complex, the problem is hard, and we need to brainstorm and we need to look at better ways to achieve that particular purpose which we want to achieve. But whilst doing that, we actually miss the fine point. What the fine point is basically is you need to focus on what exactly you do not want to achieve and what you do not want to happen by doing these particular steps. If you list out the list of steps that you do not want to achieve, or you don't want to fall into a category of, let's say, outcomes, then you will find the solution to your problem. So what I mean by this is, let's say you've kind of made devised a plan wherein which it's so foolproof that you think that success is inevitable for you and your team, but somehow down the line that huge target seems to be a little unattainable, and you start bringing in things into the fray which were things you do not want to be associated. Let's say lack of motivation, or let's say stuff like lack of getting the right results, or let's say lethargy and non-creativity setting into your team, which is bringing in a slump. So now if you look closely at that is exactly what you don't want to happen. So what you ideally should be doing is, as you plan ahead for the next half of the year, what you need to do is list out the stuff that you and your team do not want to achieve. It could be lack of motivation, lack of creativity, it could be stagnation, it could be feeling overconfident, stuff like that. If you list out those things and let's say put them up right in plain sight for you and your team to see, that's something you will be very alert about, and you will say, what, these are the things we don't want to do. So whilst we want to achieve our objectives, we don't want to achieve that. If you get that into perspective, you'll find that the results will automatically flow. Well, if you like what you see, please do give us a like, and if you think this could help someone, please do share this in your huge networks. I'll see you again guys in the next episode. Cheers.